Hey again, me, Tommaso. Been a while since I did a YouTube video, but I've been busy moving and whatnot, so get off my back. So, today I'm going to talk about two words that are in the English language that many find offensive, and personally I think they're pretty funny. Twat and cunt. First off, twat sounds like a sound effect, you know? Hit someone with a baseball bat, twat, back of the head, you know, like, twat. Fuck, you hear that bat? Just like, dude, the twat, you can hear it a mile away. Alright? Sorry, I messed up there. Second word, cunt. Cunt sounds like another sound effect, like, you know, like a bat hitting a wiffle ball, a bat hitting a wiffle ball, you know, cunt. Or like a shitty bunt, you know, like, Derek Jeter cunts his way to first base. Next on deck, Sammy Sosa, makes no sense, winds up, there's a pitch, and cunts his way to first base too. Rather pathetic. These baseball players are just cunting their way to the bases. Shameful, shameful, shameful. Not a single home run. And I know most people associate those words with vagina, but I can't help but laugh, you know? Some girl calls another girl a cunt, I'm just like, you know, it. Called her a funny sound effect. Man, stupid bitch. And same goes for twat. Twat sounds like a fucking sound effect too. Excuse my language, but I'm being blunt, you know? And that rhymes with cunt. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. So yeah, those words are funny. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to all my friends at CSN. I'm not gonna name you because, you know, there's a lot of you. Apparently I'm the guy that knows everybody, you know. I also want to thank the makers of American Pie Reunion for doing another great movie. So far it's the best one yet. I didn't need to see Jason Biggs' dick, but it happened, and, you know, or whatever. I did like the one scene with girls topless for a good 15 minutes. Very hot. You know what I mean? Let's see, what else? I think everyone should subscribe to Jim Brewer. He's a comedian, his YouTube page, because he's funny as all hell. Been one of my favorites since I was a kid. He's a white guy in Half-Baked, for all you people that know that movie. Subscribe to his page. Still talks about the Goat Man, one of the funniest sketches ever, and that comes from a true story. And that's basically it. You got cunt, sound effect, or shitty bunt. You got twat, sound effect, American Pie Reunion, Friends of CSN, Jim Brewer. Hold on, there we go. Sorry. Alright, those are things I want to talk about. Oh, and also, fuck New Direction. I grew up in the 90s. I'm tired of boy bands. Beyond me. I'm tired. Fuck them. I don't care. I don't care if all you little tweens or whatever the hell you call yourselves think they're so cute. Fuck them. Not my thing. They're like 4 Justin Bieber wannabes, which is sad. No one should ever want to be Justin Bieber. Call me a hater or whatever. I don't give a shit. And I do realize how big my face looks right now. I got like the double chin going. Little neck fat, can't afford lipo. So that's my video. That's my bunch of cents on all these subjects. Subscribe to my YouTube page. Add me on Facebook. The name is TOMMASL. Last name is URBISCI. Go in there, stalk me, whatever. I don't give a shit. You know, hard to disappoint me, hard to make me angry. Very non-violent, very easygoing Italian American. I do get annoyed though sometimes, and I'm turning into a cynic with my age, but that's natural. Anyway, take care. Peace.